everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I don't think I vlogged at all this week, but I thought I would just come on here and start the vlog, as today I have got a few things going on and I've got a few things to talk about, whereas normally I wouldn't because we are in lockdown at the moment. It is now my lunchtime. It's about, oh my god, it's 1:20, and I'm making scrambled eggs on bagel. I haven't had this in ages. So yeah, I've got my little scrambled eggs in here. Oh no, the battery button is flashing on the camera. But yeah, I've got scrambled eggs in here, and we've also got bagel that's just popped up, so I need to just butter that. And yeah, but I will show you the finished look in just a moment. So this is the final product. I'm not very good at presenting, I feel like, but yeah, I'm just sitting on the sofa. I'm now going to pop the TV on and watch a little program during my lunch. As again, an hour, so it's quite nice. And it's Friday today, so it's the end of the week. It's my baby cousin Lola's birthday, which I feel bad for her because she's literally spent, it's her second birthday and she's spent like half of her life in lockdown, which is a bit poo. But I think she's having a nice day at home. Bless her, yeah, but she's excited, and she's got like a big number 2 balloon and everything, so yeah. But I think later on we're doing a family quiz, which me and Matt have written this week, so I will kind of show you like the topics later, just in case you're doing family quizzes and you needed some ideas, as I know that we actually struggled this week because we've done so many quizzes that we didn't want it to be the same or the same kind of rounds as normal, so we kind of tried to think of something a little bit different. So I will show you what I did later on once I finished work and I've got my laptop out. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna go and eat this, and I'll catch in with you once I finish work. So we're now on the Zoom.
Your face, so you would have been disgusted, wouldn't you?
Here's Nanny Jean.
And perhaps that was a special treat, are we?
She's talking about my Christmas Day vlog. Anyway, back to the quiz. Still waiting for the rest of the fam to join. And here's me from the future. So I'm just editing this video and I realised it kind of just jumps to the next day without me explaining anything. Or me explaining what rounds we did on the quiz. As I said, I was gonna let you know what we did, so if you needed any ideas that you would know. So I'll just show you what that is quickly, and then we will get to the next day of the vlog where it actually had snowed, and yeah, it was really nice, and I cooked like a new pasta thing as well. So we did a couple of rounds. This one is who are the celebrities, and we basically just chose like 10 celebrities and put a Snapchat filter over them. Just to see if people could guess who they are. So that's not quite a good idea for one of them that we did. The next one that we did was guess the movie from its IMDb description. So for example, this one, it says 2 imprisoned men bond over a number of years, finding solace in eventual redemption through acts of common decency. So this one was the Shawshank Redemption, I believe. And then I'll just show you another example, like Martin McFly, 17-year-old high school student, is accidentally sent 30 years into the past in a time-travelling DeLorean invented by his close friend, the eccentric scientist Doc Brown. So obviously that's Back to the Future. And yeah, and then we also did a round of It's All Relative. So this is based on our family group chat. Everyone posts pictures of their meals on there, so I kind of zoomed in on the pictures and people had to guess whose food that was, because obviously if it was zoomed out you can see like the plates and the worktops. But yeah, that was good fun as well. And then yeah, I think we had another quiz as well, a round that wasn't visual, of where you had to guess on Spotify which song had the most plays, which I think Matt organised. So I think let me just bring up the notes quickly. Yeah, so higher or lower on Spotify. So for example, what one shall I give you? Well, I'll just give you the first one. So Tom Jones, It's Not Unusual, has 105,961,000 plays on Spotify. Is Dolly Parton's Jolene higher or lower? So in this case it would be higher, because Dolly Parton's Jolene has had 292 million plays, 355,000. So yeah, that was a good bunch of fun as well. But yeah, anyway, those are the rounds of the quiz if you need any ideas at all. And on to the next day, pretty much. Guys, I'm deciding to try a new recipe. It's like this broccoli creamy pasta thing. Yeah, I mean, if it turns out nice and if you like the look of it, then let me know down below and I will do a video of me like making the recipe, show you guys what the recipe is like the previous videos. Yeah, literally ignore me, I look like a slob, my skin's really bad, but I've just had a really lazy day. I had a really bad headache again, so that's pretty much been my day. But oh my gosh, ah.
Has it just kicked off?
Yeah, but
Just put the lid on.
Yeah, it's okay. But yeah, it's snowing today, as you would have seen in the last clip. It stopped snowing now, and you can see all of that in the garden. So once we've eaten, we're going to go out for a little walk. It's only 4:15 at the moment, so go out for a little walk, come home, have a bath, and then probably resume back on the sofa, maybe watch more of The Crown, or maybe a film. What do you think? Maybe.
Depends if you set the house on fire by keep putting this lid on.
Yeah.
Just leave it.
Okay.
Doing just fine on its own.
Okay. So yeah, I'll let you know what this turns out like. So this is what it turned out like. Let Matthew have the first taste test. Is it nice?
Well, I have to say nice because you're on the camera videoing me.
You can say that it's not very nice.
Ghastly.
Is it? Would you not want me to cook it?
I don't think you'd like it, so I'll have yours.
Okay. Would you like it again, maybe?
Can you help me finish the meal first before
Okay.
you log onto it again?
Sorry. Here we go.
It's good.
I'm still looking like a grim slob. I'm sitting on the toilet. I'm not actually on the toilet though. I'm just using it as a seat. But yeah, I'm now gonna have a bath. I've literally just been like a slob all afternoon. We watched The Crown, and since we had our pasta, I can't remember if I said that it was actually really good. We really liked it, so I'll definitely be making it on a vlog coming up soon, so you can like know what the recipe is and try it out yourselves. So if you do want to see what the recipe is, please comment down below as well, or if there's any recipes that you think I should try, then let me know down below as well. Just because I feel like sometimes you just come like to a stump with your food, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't know if that's the right word, but you just get a bit like bored and you have the same foods over and over again, and you kind of just want to like try some new recipes that you sort of don't think of. But yeah, and then after tea we've been watching Make or Break. Matt's kind of had like the football on in the background, and I just decided to like start watching it. I can't remember what video I saw, but I was watching like one of Elle Darby's old videos, and it went on to something about her being on Make or Break, which I knew she was on in 2017, but I didn't watch her on YouTube then, so I didn't know about it, and I've not watched the programme. So I was like, do you know what, I'm gonna watch it. I don't think, like, I've only watched the first 3 episodes this afternoon, but they're not like featured heavily on it at the moment, but it's because all the other couples are like drama, and like Elle and Connor are like strong, so which is good. But yeah, I'm now having a break from that. I'm gonna have a bath, put on a nice face mask. Look at my skin, disgusting. I think tomorrow I'm going to try and film my doxycycline update video, because I've been on it for a month and I feel like that's like quite a good time to see if it's worked and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to put on a face mask tonight though, so hopefully it will bring down the redness. Oh my god, literally. But yeah, gonna have a bath and then we'll probably watch another episode. But I feel like Matt's getting like more invested than me. He's pretending that he's not, but he loves programs like that, like reality TV shows. But yeah, I don't know. I was gonna have a bath bomb, but I think I'm actually just gonna use my Molten Brown Pink fiery pink pepper. So yeah, and then I'll probably just watch YouTube and just chill out really. So let's just run the bath.